Before replacing the battery, we need to check out the old battery's health. Enter the setting of the mobile phone and find out the battery health. Long press to turn it off. Use a pentagon screwdriver to unscrew the screws at the bottom of the phone. Pay attention to putting the screws aside well. Set the heating pad temperature to 90 degrees Celsius. Place the screen face down on the pad for about 2 to 3 minutes. After heating, we use a clamp fixture to separate the screen. Place the phone down on the fixture, and rotate the screw to clamp the screen. The suction cup will clamp the screen. Rotate another screw to separate the screen. Drop a little alcohol around the frame. It will release the stickiness temporarily in this way. Use a pry piece to jam the phone screen. Then twist the screw and take down the suction cup. Gradually remove the screen around the edge of the display. Slowly separate the screen from the case. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by cables, so don't try to remove it completely. Pay attention to the position of the cable to avoid damage. The angle should not be over 90 degrees. To prevent breaking the flex cable, use a tri-wing screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the shielding cover of the cable connector, and take it off. And the connector between the screen and motherboard. Remove the display assembly. Use a tri-wing screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the shielding cover of the battery. Use a spudger slightly extricate the battery. Use tweezers to clean up the battery adhesive. The battery adhesive sticks around the bottom of the battery. Here's the REPART battery, a new replacement. Tear off the film of the battery adhesive and make its glue adhere to the battery. Press it slightly. Tear off the film. Put on the new battery, connect well with the battery connector, and press it slightly. Install the shielding cover and tighten the screws. Reassemble the display cable, touch cable, and earpiece cable continuously, and tighten the shielding cover. Since we used the clamp fixture to separate the screen at the beginning, which could save the original waterproof adhesive, so we don't have to replace it with a new waterproof adhesive, buckle the phone screen. and tighten the screws at the bottom. Turn it on. For the wired charging test. It's working. For the wireless charging test. It's working. Thank you for your watching.